Let us learn how to write 7 today. Last time we have learned how to write a beautiful 6, and now we have the next number 7. So I have prepared dots to join. So this is 7. It looks like this. So you take your pencil and join the dots. It's a sleeping line. Join all the dots using your pencil and come straight down. Do not lift your hands up. Okay, so this is your 7. So now we have written a big 7 here. Let us try to fit into smaller box. So last time I have told you it is very difficult to write as the numbers in the smaller box for children. So let us reduce the box into a perfect square box. Let us count 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So this is a perfect square box. So let us try to fit the 7 into this box. We are not going to touch the top line, the topmost line, so little lower than that top line. Let us start it from here. Write a sleeping line and touch the bottom line straight without lifting your hands. This is 7. So we have reduced the size of 7. Now let us try to fit into a smaller box again. We have taken a smaller box, perfect square one. It is the half the size of the second one. So let us start writing 7. So just like we have done in this, we are going to start writing from below the top line. So write a sleeping line, comes down and touch the bottom, the line at the bottom. So this is 7, smaller one. Then let us try to fix this 7 into the regular square box that we use in the classroom. So this is the box we are going to use. So now you try writing 7 inside this box. So you have to start little lower from the top line, just like we have done in the earlier 7, and then write a sleeping line, come down and touch the line at the bottom. So this is how you are going to fit the 7 inside this small box. Practice with the other numbers from 1 to 7. Try to write in a proper way. So you have to take at least 4 days to complete writing 7. First day you are going to practice this one, tracing, joining the dots and tracing. Run your finger over the lines and say 7. Run your fingers over the lines and say 7. And next day you try writing in a smaller box. Then next day you are going to try another smaller box, little smaller than the other one. And then in the 4th day you are going to try to write 7 in the regular square box. So each child should take at least 4 days to learn how to write the regular 7 fitting inside the box, single box. So you keep on practicing. I hope you are going to do well.